Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be about how to stop spam comments on your WordPress website. I know a lot of times you get many comments with some malicious links. I'm going to show you how to stop it in just 1 minute. We are going to do this using a simple plugin. So let's install this plugin. Go to plugins, click on add new and search for forget spam comment. So this is the plugin. You can see it has more than 1000 active installation. Guys, this plugin is so amazing. I'm using it on all my websites. Just install it and activate it. And after you have activated, you can go and check the details. And as you can see, this plugin is very lightweight and it is 100% effective because once you install this, you will not see any spam comment on your blog and website. And this is a captcha free solution. It has some really nice reviews, as you can see on the screen. So just install this plugin and clear the cache for the page, and that's it. You will never see a fake spammy comment on your WordPress website or your blog. And if you like this plugin, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to this channel. And all credits to the developer Gulshan Kumar. That's not me. So thank you so much. Take care and bye bye. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.